Hello guys and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the most exciting situations from the world of bikers. We got close calls, crashes, road rage, kindness and many more. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes and serve as a reminder on how to act and how not to act in certain situations. Make sure to sit back, press play and enjoy the show. I don't know what's the issue with the driver here, but he purposely swerved into the biker with the intent of knocking him off his bike. Of course, he was not having it, and a hectic argument unfolded. From here on, it's only gonna get worse.
Yeah, you mother... You mother... Hey, you mother... Do something... No... Hey, you almost hit him, mother... Yeah, you almost hit him! You need to shut the... No, you're driving like a... What the is you? Hold up! Hit me!
You know what I say, play stupid games, win stupid prizes, and this is exactly what happened here. Let's rewatch this one more time.
In the arms of the angel.
After failing to get an apology from the self-entitled driver, this biker resorted to a mirror smash. And this is something we do not condone, and I'm sure that the biker did it in the spur of the moment, without thinking about the consequences. When you're out with your boys in the pub, drinking a few pints of beer, you might feel like you can handle more things than you actually can. This is exactly what happened to this biker. He just, well, watch and see. The young fella managed to get his bike back up, but it's kinda questionable to be driving in his state. Drinking and driving is the worst thing you can do, right next to texting and driving. Please try to avoid both at all costs. This crazy driver was not bothered by the biker and the fact that he had a right of way. That didn't bother him at all as he pulled out in front of him and hit the biker as well. But that's not the worst part. This crazy guy simply fled the scene. A lady in a Range Rover ran a red light and she took the biker's right of way. This type of self-entitled driving deserves points to her license and some hefty fine as well. The biker confronted her about it and she at least apologized.
Bro, do you know what the right of way is? Do you know what the right of way is?
Pay attention, drivers. Pay attention and watch closely. This is what happens when you pull out onto the road without looking if it's safe first. Dogs can jump right in front of you when you least expect it, and this is what happened to this biker here. Luckily he didn't hit the dog, nor did he crash.
Hey. Que cruzan de vereda a vereda, ¿no? Entonces yo freno, los dejo pasar y...
This biker was not careful enough as he was changing lanes, and as a result, a driver passed him by on his left side and he grazed his mirror. Luckily the biker didn't crash, but they followed each other for a while, and some information has been exchanged.
dan proberen uit te wijken voor het busje.
Ik dacht dat je weg ging rijden, ik denk.
Nee, tuurlijk niet. Daar heb ik geen zin in.
If you're one of those drivers who pulls out onto the road without looking, I'd recommend you watch this video first. Maybe it will change your mind.
Oradan çıkılır mı öyle? Oradan çıkılır mı? İnsan bir görüyorsunuz ama. Ayıp ya.
Pay close attention at the driver on the left side of the biker. He had problems maintaining his lane position, and he cut right in front of the vehicle in front. The driver in a red Golf had to slam his brakes, and so did the biker. Unfortunately, his back wheel locked up, and he rear-ended the car.
Oh, you bugger, you. Oh, you alright, mate? I say no, don't worry. Or, drop the stander. Oh. I don't think anything's... Oh, here, you're alright. What's the car? Is you alright?
Biker got cut off by a crazy driver who changed lanes without indicating, nor checking his mirrors. This is the worst type of changing lanes, guys. Just as this biker pulled over to the gas station to get some gas, he dropped his bike. Well, you know what I say, there is a first time for everything, and this sure was his first time.
Time for everything. Thank you, brother. Oh, I don't even know what happened. Thank you. Yeah. If you want to kick the kickstand for me. The kickstand.
Oh, you want to stand it up?
Yeah. There you go. Thank you, bro. That's our first time, man. Thank you.
Well, be careful.
Always make sure to check twice before changing lanes. That's the golden rule. In this video, the biker caught a crazy driver changing lanes without bothering to look at his mirrors or indicate at all. As a result, well, of course he caused a crash. But that's not the worst part. Check out what happened after the crash.
Oh, you're just gonna continue?
Biker was out just trying to enjoy a nice ride, but it soon got cut short when this crazy van driver, who by the way didn't pay attention, rear-ended him. His bike was completely damaged, but the most important thing is that the biker is still doing okay. For whatever reason, this crazy driver stopped in the middle of the road and he blocked the entire busy intersection. When the biker passed by, he revved his engine. This crazy driver dangerously passed the biker not once, but twice over a double solid yellow line, but the situation didn't end there. Biker made sure to pull up next to this crazy driver and let him know that his decision was wrong, and to say hi to YouTube, of course.
Say welcome to YouTube. We've just met up. I was going to meet him at 12, but couldn't be bothered hanging about.
An elderly lady was hasty while pulling out onto the road. She didn't notice the two bikers were there nearby, and it almost came to a crash. It's a good thing that both of them managed to slam their brakes and avoid crashing.
I'd love an American truck. Tapas. No, whoa! Jesus! So, smoke off my tyre. Bless her, never mind.
This pedestrian did not care at all. He didn't care about anything in the world.
Oh, taking the inside route. Oh, inside lane, gonna hit this dude. That was a close one, boys.
A stray dog ran straight onto the road and right underneath the biker's wheels. Luckily, he managed to swerve around him and avoid hitting and crashing. Note to all drivers, indicating does not give you the right of way. Definitely not. You need to check your mirrors before making a safe lane change, otherwise you still endanger others in traffic. And with this clip, we conclude another episode of Maxi channel. I hope that it was entertaining and educational as usual. Make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel grow. And thank you for all your support so far. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.